If you're trying to grow an e-commerce store and you don't want to spend a fortune on paid ads, you need one thing: organic traffic through SEO. But SEO can get technical and honestly a little intimidating. The good news is that AI makes it much easier. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to use AI for e-commerce SEO so you can get more eyes on your store without being an SEO expert. Let's get started. If you're new to online marketing, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process that helps online shoppers, in this case, your customers, find your store and products when they're searching online. For example, someone might search for custom dog tote bag, or something super specific like funny t-shirt with a dolphin in a top hat and a monocle. And yes, there are definitely plenty of people out there who love dolphins, and someone out there is looking for their perfect dolphin tee as we speak. SEO helps your product show up higher in those search results rather than getting buried on page 14 of Google. But getting SEO right can feel like it takes a lot of time, research, and manual work. And that's exactly where AI tools come in. AI won't magically push your store to the top of Google overnight, but it can take a lot of the guesswork out of SEO. It can help you figure out which keywords your customers are already searching for, use those keywords to improve your product titles and descriptions, and even spot SEO issues you probably never notice on your own. Now let's walk through some specific ways you can use AI SEO tools. I'll show you a few tool demos along the way so you can copy the process for your own store. Quick note: the tools I'm using here are paid, and yes, some of them can get expensive, but most offer free trials so you can test them out before committing. Everything starts with keywords, basically the exact words your customers type into Google when they're looking for something to buy. In marketing, we refer to this as search intent, and customers don't always search the way we describe our products. You might think shoppers look for a premium tote bag, but your customers are more likely Googling something like funny mushroom tote bag gift for crunchy granola friend. That's specific. Instead of guessing keywords, an SEO tool like MarketMuse can give you specific keyword ideas and long-tail keywords, which are those longer or more specific phrases that are often easier to rank for. Let me show you a quick example using MarketMuse. I'll head to the research section where you can search for a product idea to expand it into existing keyword opportunities. This is especially useful when you're deciding how to position a product in your online store. For this example, let's say I want to sell this capybara t-shirt, so I'll start by typing in the keyword funny capybara shirt. Right away, MarketMuse shows related keywords and topics people are actually searching for, including variations and related phrases I probably wouldn't have thought of on my own. In the Topic Model tab, I can see useful data like search volume, which tells me how many people search for this topic each month, and CPC, which stands for cost per click. That's the amount advertisers are willing to pay for when someone clicks on an ad for that keyword, and it gives you a sense of how competitive the search term is. At a quick glance, I can see that funny capybara t-shirt has a lower search volume, while something broader, like capybara shirt, has much higher demand. Then, by clicking variants, I can explore even more keyword options. Here, I can see several versions people search for, like capybara Hawaiian shirt, capybara birthday shirt, or capybara Christmas shirt. These variations are really valuable because they give me ideas for how people are shopping and what types of product pages, seasonal designs, or even entire landing pages like capybara gift ideas might perform well. Now, I'm not guessing anymore. I know which keywords are actually being searched, and I can use them in important places like my product title, product description, and metadata. Once you have your keywords, the next step is using them the right way on your product pages. That means not just copy-pasting keywords mindlessly into your description, but weaving them in naturally in a way that's easy for customers to read and easy for search engines to understand. That's how you give your product page a real chance to show up in those Google searches. Because think about it, if you click a search result and land on a product page that reads like a robot wrote it, you're probably leaving. This in your product description? No thank you. That's where an AI SEO tool can save you a ton of time. For example, an app like Jasper can guide you as you optimize your page so it's easier for search engines to understand and still sounds natural for shoppers. Let's take a look at it. At first glance, Jasper might look a bit like ChatGPT, but once you dig deeper, you'll see it has built-in marketing apps designed for specific use cases, including e-commerce and SEO. When I set up my Jasper account, I added my brand tone and target audience, which is really important. This helps the tool understand how my brand sounds and who I'm selling to, so the output feels much more relevant and on brand. Inside the apps section, you'll find tools for things like SMS messages, display ads, Reddit posts, all written in your brand voice and with SEO in mind. For example, I'm gonna select the product description app. At the top, I can choose my brand voice, which I created for my Capybara merch brand, and select my audience, in this case, US customers. Below that, I start adding details about my product. First, I'll enter my product title under what is your product called. I'm naming it Ask Me About Capybara's Funny Capybara t-shirt. I can even upload a product mockup for my t-shirt here, which helps Jasper better understand what I'm selling. Next, under the main features and benefits, I'll paste in the actual product specs from the print-on-demand shirt model I selected at Printful. This gives the AI the technical details it needs to describe the shirt's key features. I'll also add a short draft of my product description and ask Jasper to polish it and make it SEO friendly, keeping the tone fun and easy to read. Finally, in the custom instructions section, I'll paste in a list of keywords I got during my keyword research. Things like funny capybara shirt and capybara gift t-shirt. This tells Jasper which search terms I want the description to naturally include. Once everything's in place, I'll click Generate Now. And just like that, Jasper creates a full product description that includes my keywords and reads naturally. From here, it's simply a matter of copying the text, making small edits so it fits my product, and publishing it. This part scares a lot of people, but AI tools can make it way less intimidating because you don't have to hunt for SEO problems and then try to fix them with zero guidance. Technical SEO is basically the behind-the-scenes stuff that affects whether a search engine like Google can crawl your site and understand what it's about. Sometimes I hear about sellers discovering something important has been broken in their store this whole time, and they didn't even know it. The goal is to catch those issues early before they quietly hurt your website visibility. A technical SEO audit can uncover a bunch of things like broken links, duplicate pages, redirect or server issues, metadata problems, structured data issues, and even image-related issues. Any of these things can drag down your rankings without you realizing it, because your store might look fine to you, but it's confusing to search engines. There are a few popular tools that can run a site audit, like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Screaming Frog. If you're a beginner, I actually recommend starting with Screaming Frog because the free version is pretty powerful. It crawls your website the same way a search engine would, and then flags what's broken or missing. Now, the tricky part is that once you find problems, you still have to know what to do with them. And that's where AI can help the most. If you pair your audit results with an AI tool, you can turn a confusing list of issues into a clear, step-by-step list of fixes. For example, an AI-powered platform like Lumar can generate a prioritized list of things to fix and guide you with clear how-to recommendations, so you don't need to understand every technical detail. You can treat it like a checklist, work through it step by step, and make your site easier for search engines to crawl and rank. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, but which AI SEO tool should I actually use? And the honest answer is, it depends on what you need help with. If you're creating content, improving product pages, or fixing technical issues, check out the tools I shared in this video. But you might also need help with more advanced areas like off-page SEO or structured data. The key is to choose a tool that fits your current priority, your budget, and the time you can realistically spend learning it. If you want more options, I've linked a full breakdown of AI SEO tools in the description. I hope this video helped you feel more confident about SEO and gave you some AI tools that can make it easier. It was a good refresher for me too. If you want to keep learning, check out our other e-commerce marketing videos here on the Printful YouTube channel. We've got more tips to help you get traffic and grow your store. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, happy selling.